Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a special guest with me, and yes, I suck at 8-ball pool. Deal with it. Today I have one of my friends with me. He's a very good YouTuber. He just did a 13-hour live stream yesterday, which is insane. Everyone, welcome. iTzgamerDjk. If you guys are wondering, why doesn't he reveal his face? And he just doesn't want to, okay? So, fuck off. Nah, I'm just messing with you. He wants to be anonymous. So, today, I'm doing a challenge as soon as it. So, are you recording too? Yeah, okay, as long as it... Alright, so today, what I'm doing is, wait, are you doing the same thing I'm doing, the cough drops? Oh! You're gonna hit a strike ball in there again, aren't you? I knew it. So today, whoever loses the first 10 pool games, we're playing until someone gets 10 cough drops in their mouth. 10 cough drops in their mouth. And the loser has to drink a whole soda in 5 minutes. And if they fail, they have to get another soda and then do the whole challenge again. Again, you guys. No way. I don't do face videos anymore. Don't you remember my update video?
Yeah, I saw your video. You said you're not doing videos.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm not doing face videos anymore, guys, because I just don't feel like it. Like, it's so hard to find an app that actually gets your face. Plus, the other apps, they all messed up. Like, I had to delete my other one because, well, failed business. I think I'm gonna have to put my cough drop in my mouth. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh, there's one right here. That's good. I swear to God, I'm gonna miss. But yeah, whoever gets 10 cough drops in their mouth, oh, and you have to prove it. And I'm gonna prove it by, like, shaking the can as soon as, you know, if I win or lose. But I'm probably gonna lose because I suck major cock at this game.
I'm already drinking one soda. I have another can of soda right beside me.
I have to get a fresh, cold-ass soda. And do you realize how cold that is? That's gonna be on my teeth? Come on! I've potted that thing 3 times in this round. No, stop. Oh, and you guys, I'm gonna type a very good message to iTzgamerDjk. Don't worry, Damon. Don't take it offensive, okay? It's just for YouTube. I don't really hate you, okay? Very positive message to the person that beats you all the time. Are you shitting on a fucking taco? I swear to God, if that ball gets in there, I'm gonna rage quit this challenge, put all the candy in my mouth, and fucking drink a soda in a second. What was that moan? Oh God. I'm gonna have to move that ball out of the way so that it don't fuck up. You know what? What was that? Are you coughing on a cock ball? I mean hairball, not cock ball. Hairball, I meant. Sorry. I meant hairball. Come on. Come on. Finally, Jesus Christ. I'm 9-31 yet. The first time I won, he potted the... It literally took me... It took luck to beat him in the first game. Because he potted... not the first game of us playing, but the first win. Because he potted the 8-ball, you guys. If he didn't pot... No, he potted the scratch ball when he put the black ball in. That means you lose. And just like I lose my esteem, I'm gonna fucking rage quit. No, just kidding. Alright, I still have 10 cough drops here, which is... Jaden would though.
He's just the one who does the cringy laughs and the girly.
But you potted that in? Come on. Well, you guys, I've got one cough drop in my mouth. God damn it. Plus, damn it, I'm not recording on my phone, so you. Well, alright. Wait, did I turn off my camera? That's good. By the way, I'm a jerk. Gah! Nah. Ugh. I already get that taste in my mouth. Alright, you guys. In the third round, we're gonna play in a place where no one's ever played. Moscow. Well, won't the thing resume?
Because you wanted to share your camera with me that it locked me out.
Well, shit, dude. I didn't know that.
Dude, you've done that with Granny too.
Okay, I'm sorry. Anytime you're playing a game from now on, please put before I video chat or you call me that you're playing a game so I don't share the goddamn thing.
What am I?
7,000 coins. All those coins are from me.
6,200.
All the 6,000 coins are from me. You ass. Don't worry, guys. We're... What? I didn't quit. No, I didn't.
Now we're playing.
You just can't see the clock is ticking. Wait, why did you break? You broke last week. What is this baloney? You know what, Damon? Go fuck yourself. God damn it. I'm 9-32, you guys. That is not a normal record. No. My ball is a cock blocker. Don't you freaking dare. Can I do this? Can I? Can I shoot it? Can I? I can. No. I swear to God. I need to stop.
You rage fast on this game.
Well, that sucked. No, it didn't. It didn't suck at all. It was the best shot of my life. Come on. God damn it. How did I manage to hit my ball? Yeah, I didn't hit yours. No. My God, damn! I just screamed my lungs out. Wait, is screamed a word?
I don't know.
Neither. Oh. Oh. Why did you shoot there? Well, I'm gonna hit one. No, shut up. Stop with jokes. Will it go in or will it go? It will go straight the fuck out. No. I swear, guys, this game is so anxious. I swear to God, if this recording gets deleted, I will fucking break everything in my head. Just hit the ball already. No. Man, you're freaking acting like Tatum now. He'd be saying all like, that's what she said to his fucking penis. Dude, that's Tatum right there. You're no Tatum. You're Dame. Get in there. Yes! Oh God, now you have to. I swear to God, Damon, if you. Oh my God, you know what, guys? I know how. Yes. Yes, you hit one of your balls in. Don't even. I swear to God. Yeah, but you hit your ball in before you hit mine in.
Oh, yeah. If I do it before, then that means you get the ball.
Yeah, boy. Get in. Fucking cum. Guys, I'm about to put another cough drop in my mouth if I lose this round. I'm already shrinking down, man. Oh. I swear to God, if it goes in, I'm gonna rage everything in this house. Can I shoot it up here? Can I, please? Yes! No. Get in. Get in there.
Oh, dude, that was lucky. That was lucky.
I know. Come on. Please, I don't want to put another cough drop in my mouth. No! No. I lost. I have a cough drop prepared, Damon. And just like that, my second cough drop is in my mouth. It is not very cough. 9 times, you cunt. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. You have 33 wins.
I have 28 now.
You have 33.
Oh, my screen that says 28 wins.
Well, watch my video after this fucking hellhole.
Alright, I'll watch that. I need proof.
Poof, bruh. Come on, get in there. Yeah, I'm stripes, boy.
Shut up.
I shouldn't get too cocky, I swear to God.
Really, you shouldn't get too cocky.
God damn it.
I remember I got the last time I was cocky, too cocky was when I was like, yeah, I already know I'm gonna win, and then all of a sudden I caught scratch.
How are you so good, Damon? Yeah, I'm absolute garbage. I've been playing this game for 3 years.
I don't know, I had a lot of practice in real life.
Bro, I've been playing since I was 4. Okay, that was a major lie.
Yes, I know, I'm like 4.
I didn't even know what my name was when I was 4. No. Yo! I hate you too. Yeah, shut up. No, I don't want to see your penis. No. No. I think I have to put you on speakerphone now because I don't think everyone can hear you.
Really? You don't have me on speakerphone?
No, I'm just playing with you. I have you on speakerphone. Wait, it's still my turn?
Yes.
Man, by this time I'd be dead if it was your turn. Get in there.
I had
Get.
to put a cough drop in my mouth, guys. Alright, I got one right beside.
Yes, come on.
Alright, which way should it go in?
Oh, wait, what is that? Dude! You sicko! I'm gonna put you close to the camera so that people can hear you better, because you were like from my pillow to like 3 more feet away.
Poo-poo.
What? Bruh. Poo-poo. Come on, you guys. I don't want another. I don't want a third cough drop in my mouth. One nearly came out of my nose. No goddamn joke. I'm not lucky.
Dude, really? You have all the balls in.
Ass. Wait.
Fucker.
Wait a minute. I'm smart. How am I not? That'd be so messed up if it like went in like as soon as your turn started. Like nope. Alright, you guys. I swear to God, if I lose this game, I'm gonna quit the video. No joke. Well, I mean, I was being cocky at the beginning. Like I put, fuck you. Get scratch it. No, not like that. Oh wait, I forgot to put my phone next to me. Damien, you still there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Please, for the life of me. Dude, you're gonna fucking jinx me. I know. It's just fucking hell, man. Oh, and if you guys, I'm gonna put a little link in the no. I'm gonna put a little. Come on, wait. Let me focus before I answer the question. Will I be able to make it there? Don't get it.
Alright, got a cough drop.
Oh my god. When I breathe out of my nose. When I breathe out of my nose, it feels like my nose is bleeding. Dude, my cough drops are only for real coughing. How come you've broken 3 games? I have 10 wins actually, you guys. I'm successful in the first thing of my life.
You have 7 wins.
10!
7.
Oh, dude, you know what? I'm gonna send you a picture of this.
Yeah, take a screenshot.
Wait, is it a good idea, or will it take you out of, I wanted to pause there because I knew you would scream as soon as it didn't go in. You know, I'm gonna... Dude, I swear I have 10 wins. 10! I've got 10! Oh, if I made that in. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go get a soda so that I can get... When I'm trying to go without drinking without a soda, because it's burning my nose right now, you guys. It's burning it. So far, you could have shot the green ball in, yet you didn't. Okay, don't be too cocky, Ryan. You're a douche. No, you're not. You're not a douche.
Dude, if I done it without moving my ball, then you can do it too.
No, I can't. Fine, okay?
Alright, yeah.
See, I can't do it. It's way too... Wait a minute.
Not right there, though.
Well, I didn't the ball until you freaking told me. Wait, come on. Can I, please? No, 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 please, please, no ball, please, no. I've been recording for 20 minutes and I don't even have 3 cough drops in my mouth. This is gonna be the longest. What? I don't fucking stream. Wait, I only have the 2 ball? No, please, get in there. No, no. Well, I have 10 wins, which is surprising. I have 10 wins. I don't have 7 wins. I have 10. Alright, I'm gonna have to make this. Should I make this a 2-part or 3-part video? Should I, or should I just do it in one video? Because if I do it in one video. Alright, this is gonna be the longest video on my channel, unless the fucking data gets corrupted. And which it does, I'm gonna break everything. Scratch. Wait, what? Can I? Please? Please? Yes! I'm gonna win it! Fucking hell. Don't you dare. I swear to God, ball, I will fucking rape your family. Why? Fucking shut up. Shut the hell up, Damon. No one cares. No. No, please. I'm so close. I don't want to. Don't put it in yet. Actually, you can put it in. No, you can't. I have another cough drop in my mouth. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna name this episode, no joke, funniest moments ever. 8-ball bowl. Are you coughing up a hairball? Tell me after the video's over. Yes. Yeah, I know how to make a thumbnail, dude. I've made it one before.
How to make a thumbnail 101. Just download Pixar and download any image off Google.
Alright, I know how to do it. Oh my god.
Alright, so yeah, make a thumbnail.
Guys, the bad thing about cough drops is that they go away. So basically, I have like only 2 in my mouth. Barely 2. Dude. I'm gonna name this Can you at least fucking accept? I am such a cock. Guys, did you see that? I had to win and my ass, karma, struck again. Come on. When you always break it from that corner, you get at least 2 balls in. But me, ho, I've got absolutely no fucking balls in here. Don't even say it. I swear to God. Get in there.
No!
You know what, you guys? I'm done. What? I swear to God, you say that one more fucking time, I will hang up. I'm just joking, man. I just hate. Why did Karma have to struck and be a bitch again?
I know, and I was just about to put the cough drop in my mouth.
Well, you're lucky you didn't, or else you would have put a cough drop in your mouth for fucking nothing. I recorded this for 26 minutes, and I don't even have half the cough drops in my mouth. Lucky fucker. Well, it could. If this video gets over 100 views, I'll make a 8-ball pool part 2. Oh wait, I didn't struck it. God damn it. This is extremely painful for me to play. Fucking hell. Well, I didn't know I was gonna fucking eat 3 cough drops in the... Just hit the balls, okay? Oh. No, I don't.
What do you have?
I don't know right now. I think I'm using the Soccer Stars queue.
No, the soccer stars has the soccer in the back.
Wait, I don't have a soccer in my back queue. Let me do that, and let me oh. Let me see the queue one. Oh.
I forgot I'm straight.
Oh, I'm using the victory queue. There. Now I'm at the soccer queue again. Guys, let me write a positive message to one of my greatest friends, okay? Let me write a good message.
Don't you dare.
Wait, you only need the 8-ball? I was too busy typing. I was too busy typing. Someone go get me the axe and the chainsaw. Someone give me a 4th cough drop. These cough drops are starting to get up my nose.
Let's just do 5 cough drops.
Dude, I already have 4. No, I want to go to 10.
Fine.
Damn it, dude. I only have 4 in my mouth. You've got 1. If you guys think iTzgamerDjk, I'm going to call you Damon now because it literally... Well, every time I do a 8-ball pool, I'm basically showing my face on my profile picture, and I look like a fucking person that came out of jail 3 years ago. But seriously, accept please.
Okay, but first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Alright, yeah, you guys. Please subscribe to iTzgamerDjk. Link will be in the description below. For reals, it will be in the description. If it's not, I'll eat spicy paprika for a minute. And you've broken again. Stop shooting from that corner. It's not a very good corner. I say that and you shoot every goddamn ball in there. I'm solids. Yay. Now the solids can go solid. I can go solid on my dick. Alright, you guys, I thought of a new channel name for not paying attention age. Channel name is go. Oh, yeah, that's gotta be the luckiest moment. There. Why? I haven't even shot half my balls in. Dude! Nothing. I was talking to someone else. No, seriously, I was. All you viewers out there, you barely made that in. Question of the day. I'm gonna start doing that from now on. Do you guys like dank memes? I don't know. You probably are on crack right now. I'm literally gonna name this episode "Funniest Moment Ever." Like funniest moments ever. Me playing with iTzgamerDjk. Come on my ass! Stop running. I swear to God. Man, you say that and I accidentally shoot the 8-ball in. I fucking suck at this game. Do you guys see that? I have 10 wins. I'm the luckiest person in the world. Let's just continue. By the way, guys, I'm 10 and 35. How? I love how you just continue saying, how? This is the luckiest moment of my life. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. That's a good shot. You didn't even hit the ball. This has got to be named funniest moments ever. 8-ball pull with iTzgamerDjk. You know what, you guys? I'm naming this funniest moments. Oh, my tablet's burning like hell. Dude, yes. How did I... Oh, God. You know what? I think I just blocked... No, I did not block your balls. And I'm also going to name this episode Lots of Dick Jokes. Man, I messed up. I have another cough drop next to me. I have another cough drop, you guys, which is going to go right into my mouth. If he makes it in, of course. I'm not that stupid. I don't put... That's the 5th cough drop. Yeah, well, I would have changed the bet.
What? Of course you want to play in Moscow. Do you even have enough coins?
Yeah, I've got 1,220, surprisingly. Here, let me go. Come on, man, try hard. Are you fucking shitting on a taco, making me eat it while I'm peeing? Kidding me? Oh, and it gets worse. You guys, secret message to me and you. If I can get 300 likes on this video, I'll reveal his face. Damon, you still there? Man. I probably didn't have to move my ball at all. Did you all get the secret message? If you didn't, I'll put it in the description. No, the secret message isn't real. You don't want to know what the secret message said. You don't want to know, Damon. It was a fake, dude. Okay, let me tell you what it was. Okay, it's fake, dude. I won't do this to you. 300 likes and I reveal your face. How did the cue ball not even make it in the ball in the hole? How did the ball not make it into the hole? Suck my dick. It's a stick. You popped the cue ball? Hey, what's this? Maybe? Alright, you guys, this video has been 37 minutes long. Come on, let me? Yeah. Alright, I think you blocked my ball. Yo, you didn't. Yeah, I can't. Just kill me with a stick. Just cut off all my damn wins. Alright, let me change the bet. I only have 720 coins left and 10 wins. 10! Alright, you guys, when I have enough coins... You want to play 9 ball?
I guess I'll play
One 9 ball, you guys. Alright, you guys. I have 5. Wait, I didn't put another cough drop in my mouth. I think your objective is to try to hit the lowest ball. Well, the rules. Alright, you guys, that is the 6th cough drop in my mouth. Come on! Wait, what's the lowest? Next lowest. Oh, I forgot, I shot the 2 ball in already. Oh, and yeah, the 9 ball counts for the cough drops too. Wait, you made that shot? Wait, how'd you win? You douchebag. Neither did I. I have 7 freaking... Let's go to Sydney now. I swear to God, next round I'm gonna have to have like... You guys, I have 7 cough drops in my mouth. I'm not even joking. Look. Are you fapping off camera? Are you jacking off camera?
ball in.
Ugh. Alright, you guys, I have 7 cough drops in my fucking mouth.
In your fucking mouth.
I can't even freaking make words white.
Alright, dude.
What?
Use this and I'll do this over.
No, it's good, it's good. Yeah. I'm actually getting used to these cough drops now. My jaw is literally on the ground right now. Let me find it. Found it. I found a tarantula hawk. Wait, tarantula! Ah!
I swear, if I hit the 8-ball in, then that means I'm going to hell.
Wait, you didn't even hit one of your own balls. Are you even trying? Oh, fine.
I know you're gonna go for that one.
You guys, I really don't. Oh. All right, you guys. Oh, in my last video, my 2018. Oh, I hit one of my balls in.
Yeah, but I still get the ball.
No.
Wait, no, I don't.
Ow. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's an end of it. Okay. Cool. Okay, you guys. I thought when you hit their ball in first before, that. I thought they did it in first before you. Apparently not. This game is pretty weird. You guys, I've been watching Jurassic Park 3 for like, what, an hour?
Come in.
Wait, did you shoot it in?
Okay, can you close the door? I'm recording a video on my phone, Ryan. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Sorry guys. Sorry that I'm at 2 subscribers. That was my auntie telling me supper is about to be ready.
I already ate some hamburger.
I'm about to eat some fried chicken.
I haven't had fried. You have a way different menu on my dinner chart than me. I do. Like I have lasagna. I have spaghetti.
I knew that I was gonna make it in, but I just wanted to get the last ball. I'm not even gonna ask.
Okay, you guys. Question of the day. That last one was fake. Real question of the day. This is a random one. Would you rather get stung by a bullet ant or a tarantula hawk? Put it in the comments below. I'd rather be stung by a bullet ant. The 9th cough drop of the goddamn game. Damon. Let's finish it off stronger and let's just have this quicker, alright?
What is that? Wait, are you on your last one?
Uh-huh.
Wait, so you have 9 in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, so rematch. I have 4,000 right now.
Yeah, all those coins are mine.
Are you really doing the 8-ball pool thing? I mean the 9-ball?
Yeah, it's quicker, man.
That's true.
Hey, we should do this for a video, like just 8-ball. Come on my ass. Suck my dick. Wait, I just got two balls in. Minus the one. I think you won.
Nope.
pop the 9-ball.
I don't know how I did that.
This has been going on for 45 minutes. That's it.
How did you not make that in?
I think I made it. You see how they hit the lowest? Oh, you rules. Cunt. It's still your turn.
Oh, shoot.
I think that's the closest you're gonna get, Nate. I want to see what happens if I hit the 9-ball right now. Apparently, it just makes me miss. Oh, I shot the 6-ball in. I should have hit with my dick.
It's like at the same place.
You're gonna have to move the ball.
Oh.
Bro, you didn't know you can do that?
No.
Bruh. Now, 7-ball, 8-ball, and 9-ball. All the... How? Alright, and you guys, I'm gonna spit these cough drops out, or as soon as, should I spit the cough drops out, or should I, like... I've been recording for 48 minutes!
This is gonna take until tomorrow to upload.
How do you know?
Trust me, I made a lot of videos before.
Alright, I'm gonna spit these cough drops out.
Go ahead.
Wait, let me... Yeah. I'm gonna pause the video, guys. I can't even speak right. Alright, you guys, I spit out all the cough drops. I'm gonna try to drink this in under 10 minutes.
You said 5.
I'm not gonna be able to drink this in 5 minutes after all the things that I swallowed. Ready? Set, go.
I want to make a joke out of that, but I can't.
This Coke just came right out of the freezer, you guys. This just came out of the freezer. I can't even drink that, dude. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I couldn't, do it. But you know what? I'm not gonna end the video there. What time does your, dinner start? 30 minutes? 3? Oh, fuck. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna end the video when that gets to the 50, but until then, I'm gonna make a bunch of... I'm gonna try... What should I do to kill, what should I do to kill a bunch of time? Almost... Oh, wait a minute. Look at that. It's up there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, smash the like button with this hammer and break your phone with the subscribe button. But I'll see you all in the next video. Subscribe to iTzgamerDjk. Schedule update tomorrow. Goodbye.